Almond butter versus peanut butter versus cashew butter. Which is the healthiest nut butter? All three are delicious and nutritious, but some may be better for certain diets or health goals. Let's break down the differences. First, we have almond butter. This nut butter is gaining popularity as one of the healthiest options. It's a good source of plant-based protein, which is essential for muscle repair, tissue growth, and a feeling of fullness after a meal. Cashew butter is a good source of healthy fats, but has less fiber and protein compared to almond and peanut butter. Nutritionally, cashews offer a range of essential minerals such as iron, zinc, copper, and magnesium, all of which support immune health, energy production, and healthy blood circulation. However, from a nutritional standpoint, cashew butter generally offers slightly fewer benefits compared to almond butter, mainly due to its lower fiber content and lower vitamin E levels. Cashew butter is often enjoyed by those who prefer a smoother texture and a more indulgent, buttery taste. It's also popular for its versatility in recipes that call for a rich, creamy ingredient. Peanut butter also contains monounsaturated fats, but usually less vitamin E and fiber than almond butter. While all three are nutritious and delicious, almond butter may come out on top due to its higher fiber, vitamin E and magnesium content and its lower sugar content. However, peanut butter is a great affordable protein option and cashew butter offers a tasty and creamy alternative. Ultimately, the best nut butter for you depends on your individual dietary needs and preferences. Choose almond butter if your main priority is heart health and nutrient density. Choose peanut butter if you're looking for a budget-friendly and protein-rich option. And choose cashew butter if you're looking for a delicious and versatile option with a creamy texture. Remember to always check the ingredient list and go for natural or unsweetened varieties with minimal added ingredients. Like almonds, peanuts are also rich in niacin or vitamin B3 and folate, which are important for converting food into energy and for overall cell function. However, it's important to be mindful of the type of peanut butter you choose. Many commercial brands contain added sugars, salt, and unhealthy hydrogenated oils or trans fats. These added ingredients can negatively impact the nutritional profile of peanut butter. So it's best to opt for natural or freshly ground peanut butter without any added ingredients. Peanut butter has a rich, salty and slightly sweet flavor that most people are familiar with and love, making it a versatile and satisfying option for many. It's high in monounsaturated fats, the kind found in olive oil and avocados, which are great for heart health. And these healthy fats also help increase good cholesterol levels. Almond butter is also packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that promotes healthy skin, a strong immune system and helps protect cells against damage caused by free radicals. It's also a good source of magnesium, which is essential for proper muscle function, producing energy, and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Additionally, almond butter has more fiber than peanut or cashew butter, aiding digestion, keeping you full longer and helping manage blood sugar levels. This makes it a solid choice for those looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels or following a low-carb diet like the ketogenic diet. Almond butter typically has less natural sugar and carbohydrates compared to peanut and cashew butter. On top of all these benefits, almond butter has a slightly nutty and sometimes mildly bitter flavor and is usually thicker in texture. Now let's turn our attention to peanut butter. This beloved nut butter is the most popular and widely consumed around the world. However, there is a danger of peanut allergy, hence best to stay away from it if you have peanut allergy. Finally, we have cashew butter. Of the three, cashew butter is the creamiest and often the sweetest tasting, even without added sugar. So the question remains, which nut butter is the healthiest? Let's explore this together in the next video. Thank you for watching.